How to turn on Miniplayer on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to turn on Miniplayer on YouTube, first and foremost, open any of your preferred browser and go to youtube.com. Once you open your YouTube account, click on any video that you want to watch. Now, hover around the option next to settings. There should be a Miniplayer icon located between settings, which is a gear icon, and the theater mode icon. Tap on it. The video will shrink to the bottom right corner of the screen. You can still pause, seek or skip the video to next or previous one. Clicking on any another video will automatically play in the Miniplayer. To return to the normal view, you have to click on the exit sign, which is a X-like icon in the top right corner of the Miniplayer. But keep in mind, Miniplayer only works with YouTube website and it cannot be for the content made for kids. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.